Hello, my dear enthusiastic friends. Welcome to our channel Chemistry is Awesome. In this lecture, we will discuss nomenclature and isomerism in haloarenes. Now, let us see how to derive common names and IUPAC names of haloarenes. The common name of monohaloarene is derived by writing the name of aryl group followed by the name of halogen atom. But the name of halogen atom is introduced as a halide. Therefore, what is common name of first compound? Common name of first compound is, this is very common example of aryl group, and this group is called as phenyl group. PHENYL. That's why common name of this example is phenyl followed by the name of halogen atom. Since chlorine atom is there, we have to write chloride. Phenyl chloride. This is common name. Now let us see next example. In next example, again aryl group is phenyl. Therefore, once again we will write phenyl. But since there is bromine atom, the name of halogen atom, that is bromine atom, is introduced as bromide. Therefore, what is common name of second compound? Phenyl bromide. In dihaloarenes or disubstituted benzene derivative, in common name system, different prefixes are used. What are the prefixes that are used to write common name of dihaloarenes or disubstituted benzene derivative? Prefixes used are artho, meta and para. These are the prefixes used to write common names of dihaloarenes or disubstituted benzene derivative. In benzene ring, if substituents are attached to carbon number 1 and 2, then it is called as artho or denoted by small letter O. If substituents are present at carbon number 1 and 3 on benzene ring, then it is called meta or denoted by small letter M. And if substituents are present at 1 and 4 position in benzene ring, then it is called as para or denoted by small p. Therefore, what is common name of first? Common name of first one is orthochlorotoluene. Orthochlorotoluene. Methyl benzene is called as toluene in common name system. At adjacent position, if two substituents are present at adjacent position, then this isomer is referred as artho. Therefore, what is name? Orthochlorotoluene. If substituents are present at carbon number 1 and 3 in benzene ring, 1, 2 and 3. These are the two substituents present on benzene ring, 1, 2 and 3. And what are the positions of substituents? 1 and 3. This is denoted as meta or in short M chloro. M means metachlorotoluene. Now, if substituents are present at carbon number 1 and carbon number 4 on benzene ring, then this is denoted as para or in short small p followed by hyphen chlorotoluene. If two different substituents are present on benzene ring, what do I see here? One is chlorine, another one is bromine. Then in this case, their names are introduced according to alphabetical order. Therefore, this is called as orthobromochlorobenzene. Orthobromochlorobenzene. Now let us see this one. One is nitro, another one is bromo. Since B of bromo appears before N of nitro in alphabets, that's why first we have to introduce name of this. But with respect to this, these positions are 1 and 3. And if 1 and 3 positions are there, then it is denoted as metabromo nitrobenzene. So that these are the common names of aryl halides, or we can say substituted aryl halides. Now, what is next? How to write IUPAC names? To write IUPAC name of monohaloarine, the name of halogen atom bonded to benzene ring is used as prefix name. What is prefix name? That is chloro. If there is chlorine atom, we have to use prefix chloro. Bromine atom, bromo. Iodine atom, iodo. Therefore, this substituent, the name of this substituent is used as prefix to benzene. Therefore, what is IUPAC name? Chloro. This chloro is prefix to benzene, chlorobenzene. What about next? Here prefix name is bromo. Since bromine is substituent on this benzene ring, that's why what is IUPAC name? Bromobenzene. Now, in this case, this carbon atom is numbered as 1, this carbon atom is numbered as 2. Now, what is IUPAC name of this compound? 1-chloro-2-methylbenzene. 1-chloro-2-methylbenzene. With respect to this is numbered as 1, this is numbered as 2, this is numbered as 3. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. So that this is denoted as IUPAC name of this compound is 1-chloro-3-methylbenzene. 1-chloro-3-methylbenzene. Okay. Now let us see this one. If this is numbered as 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. So that what is the name of this compound? 1-chloro-4-methylbenzene. 1-chloro-4-methylbenzene. Now let us see this one. Numbering should be started from this bromine atom. Since this bromine appears alphabetically first, B of bromine appears before C of chlorine in alphabetical manner or alphabetical order. That's why 1-bromo, 2-chlorobenzene, 1-bromo, 1, 2 and 3, 3-nitrobenzene, 1-bromo, 2-chlorobenzene, and last one 1-bromo, 3-nitrobenzene, 1-bromo, 3-nitrobenzene. benzene. These are the IUPAC names. If we attach, now let us see, we'll take examples of dihaloarenes. We'll write isomers of dihaloarenes. These are also called as isomeric compounds because all these compounds are having same molecular formula. What is molecular formula for all these three? C7, 6 carbon atoms of benzene ring, 1 carbon atom of this methyl, so that number of carbon atoms are 7. Number of hydrogen atoms, here if we consider this or this isomer, number of hydrogen atoms are also same because on each benzene ring there are 2 substituents. Therefore, on benzene ring, how many hydrogen atoms are left? To this carbon atom, 1 hydrogen is there, 1 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen and 1 hydrogen. 4 hydrogen atoms of benzene ring and 3 hydrogen atoms of this methyl group. So that number of total hydrogen atoms are 7 and 1 chlorine atom is there. So that what is the molecular formula of all these isomeric compounds? Same, that is C7, this is 7, S7, Cl. But their structures are different. So that why they differ from each other? Because they differ in position of substituents on the benzene ring. That's why they are called as position isomers of each other, and the phenomenon is known as position isomerism. Therefore, how to define position isomerism? The compounds or isomers having same molecular formula, but they differ in position of substituents on the benzene ring are called position isomers of each other, and the phenomenon is known as position isomerism. I will write examples of dihaloarenes. Examples of dihaloarenes. Let us see here. We will attach chlorine atoms. What about positions of chlorine atom in this first structure? These positions are 1 and 2 or 1 and 2, and therefore whenever 2 substituents are present at adjacent positions or bonded to carbon number 1 and carbon number 2 on benzene ring, or then this is denoted as orthochlorotoluene. Orthodichlorobenzene. Now let us see positions of substituents. Positions of substituents are 1 and 3 with respect to each other, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. So that this is referred as meta-dichlorobenzene. In this case, positions of 2 chlorine atoms are 1 and 4 with respect to first, second chlorine atom is present on carbon number 4. Therefore, this is referred as para-dichlorobenzene. Now we'll write examples of tri-substituted. Here we'll attach Cl. Now in case of trihaloarenes or trichlorobenzene, if positions are adjacent to each other, 3 positions are adjacent to each other, or if substituents are present at 1, 2 and 3 position, then this is referred as vicinal trichlorobenzene. Vicinal trichlorobenzene. If positions are 1 to 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then this is called as unsymmetrical. In common name system, this is known as unsymmetrical. trichlorobenzene. Very simple. And if halogens are at equal distance or chlorine atoms are at equal distance from each other, then this is referred as symmetrical trichlorobenzene. Symmetrical trichlorobenzene. Because this compound possesses plane of symmetry. A plane which divides molecule into two symmetrical halves or equal parts. If we divide this molecule, we will get two equal parts, and that's why this is known as symmetrical, since it possesses plane of symmetry. Symmetrical trichlorobenzene. Now let us say IUPAC names of this. If two or more substituents are bonded to benzene ring, then their positions must be indicated by proper numbers or by proper locants. Now let us say, in this first case, one of the chlorine atom is bonded to carbon number first, second chlorine atom is bonded to carbon number second. Therefore, what is IUPAC name? 1,2 dichlorobenzene. 1,2 dichlorobenzene. Now let us see this one. This is numbered 1. This carbon atom is numbered as 1, 2 and 3. What are positions? 1, 3. Very simple. 1, 3 dichlorobenzene. Positions of chlorine atoms should be indicated by proper numbers or locants. These are called as locants or positions of chlorine atoms. Now let us see next structure. One of the chlorine atom is bonded to carbon number first, second chlorine atom is bonded to carbon number 4. Therefore, this is called as 1, 4, then hyphen dichlorobenzene. Okay. Now let us see. These are also called as position isomers of each other, because what is molecular formula for these? C6H4Cl2. Molecular formula for these first three, 1, 2 and 3 is same. What is molecular formula? C6H4Cl2. And that's why they are called as position isomers of each other, since they are having same molecular formula, but they differ in positions of chlorine atoms on the benzene ring. That's why they are also called as position isomers of each other. And these three are also called position isomers of each other. These are also position isomers. Position isomers. Because in these three, again molecular formula is same. What is molecular formula? C6H3Cl3. Molecular formula for these three compounds is same. There are how many substituents on benzene ring? 3. 1, 2 and 3. Therefore Cl3. And on remaining carbon atom, there is one hydrogen atom. On this carbon atom, one hydrogen is there. On this carbon atom also there is one hydrogen atom. And on this carbon atom also there is one hydrogen. So that molecular formula becomes C6H3Cl3. All these compounds are having same molecular formula, but they differ in positions of chlorine atoms on the benzene ring. That's why they are called as position isomers of each other, and phenomenon is known as position isomerism. Now let us see some examples of tetra. How to write common IUPAC names of these three? Very simple, by denoting positions of chlorine atoms. The first one is called as 1, 2, 3 trichlorobenzene. Next one is called as 1, 2, 4 trichlorobenzene. Positions are different. 1, 2, 4 trichlorobenzene. And last one is 1, 3, 5 or 1, 3, 5 or 1, 135. 135 trichlorobenzene. 135 trichlorobenzene. Now, in case of tetrachlorobenzene, again there are 3 isomers. We can take examples like this. In tetrachlorobenzene, again we will get 3 isomers. In first isomer, chlorine atoms are adjacent to each other. We can take chlorine atoms, positions of chlorine atoms such as 1, 2, 3 and 4. In second, 1, 2, 3 and 5. And in last, 1, 2 and 4, 5. We can take positions such as 1, 2 and 4, 5. Here also chlorine atom is there. The common names of these compounds are not so important. That's why we'll identify these compounds by their IUPAC name system. 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrachlorobenzene. First one is 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrachlorobenzene. Let us see next one. 1, 2, 3, 5 tetrachlorobenzene. 1, 2, 3, 5 tetrachlorobenzene. Next one is 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5 tetrachlorobenzene. So that these are the IUPAC names of tetrachlorobenzene. Very simple. Positions of chlorine atoms on benzene ring should be denoted by proper numbers or by proper locants. We will take some examples of side chain substituted. Side chain substituted. Side chain substituted. Aromatic halogen compounds. Aromatic halogen compounds. Now let us see first one. Here halogen atoms are not directly bonded to benzene ring, but the halogen atom is present on side chain which is attached to benzene ring. This is first one. Next, CH, Cl, bond Cl. Next, C, Cl, Cl and Cl. These are called as side chain substituted aromatic halogen compounds. This first one is called as benzyl chloride. If we block this Cl, this remaining part is called as benzyl. Benzyl, followed by name of halogen atom as halide. Since there is chlorine atom chloride, that's why name is benzyl chloride. Or first, this is called as benzyl chloride according to common name system. Benzyl chloride. Or this is also called as benzylidine chloride. Benzylidine chloride. Since two chlorine atoms are bonded to same carbon atom. Benzylidine chloride. And this is known as benzo trichloride. These are the common names. benzyl chloride, benzyl chloride, benzo trichloride. Let us see what about their IUPAC names. In IUPAC name system, this is considered as derivative of methane. One of the hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by chlorine atom, and one of the hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by phenyl group. Therefore, this is called as chlorophenylmethane. 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 Now let us see next. This is, there are two substituents. Two chlorine atoms are bonded to this carbon atom. Therefore, this is called as dichloro, since there are two chlorine atoms. And this is phenyl group, dichlorophenylmethane. Dichlorophenylmethane. Written as one word, dichlorophenylmethane. Now let us see this one, trichlorophenylmethane. Trichlorophenylmethane. So that these are the IUPAC names of benzyl chloride, benzyl chloride and benzo trichloride respectively. Chlorophenylmethane, dichlorophenylmethane, trichlorophenylmethane. One more IUPAC name we can write in bracket. This is called as chloromethylbenzene. Chloromethylbenzene. So that here benzene is considered as parent hydrocarbon. Chloromethylbenzene. This is named as dichloromethylbenzene, since there are two chlorine atoms. Here these chlorine atoms are considered as substituents on methyl group. Therefore, dichloromethylbenzene. Very simple. Dichloromethylbenzene. Now let us see this one. Here, three chlorine atoms are considered as substituent on methyl group. Therefore, this is called as trichloromethylbenzene. Trichloromethylbenzene. These are also IUPAC names for these compounds. Let us see one more example, last one. In case of side chain substituted aromatic halogen compounds. If CH2 Br is there, and to this phenyl group is bonded, so that this is referred as alpha. In common name system, carbon atoms are numbered by Greek numbers or by Greek letters such as alpha, beta, gamma, delta, omega, like this. This is beta. Therefore, what is common name of this compound? Beta phenyl ethyl bromide. Beta phenyl ethyl bromide. First one, beta phenyl ethyl bromide. Okay. Now let us see IUPAC name. IUPAC name of this compound. What will be IUPAC name? In IUPAC name system, this carbon is numbered as 1, this is numbered as 2. Therefore, 2-phenyl. We are 2-phenyl. Or instead of writing like this, we'll write 1-bromo. First, alphabetical order should be maintained. 1-bromo. 2-phenyl. 1-bromo 2-phenyl ethane, written as single word. 1-bromo 2-phenyl ethane. So that this is regarding IUPAC nomenclature and isomerism in aryl halides. Not only IUPAC names, but we have represented their common names also. Thank you, dear friends. We'll stop here. We'll meet soon in next video.